Now, I've only recently been introduced to Everest Caravans, but I've got to say, their vans really are appealing to me. Even though this is a relatively compact, mid-sized tandem axle caravan, the kids' bedroom, in terms of size, is what you'd expect to find in a caravan that's 22 feet plus in length. So if you need a family caravan that's got some semi-off-road ability, this Everest KOMBAT 19'7" is certainly one for you to check out. Inside, the van has a nice premium look about it, from the leather upholstery to these textured wood look bench tops. Now, this is a family van, so you are going to want to cook outside from time to time. Fortunately, it does have this nice stainless steel pull-out kitchen. I mean, there's even a wine cooler. It's well fitted out with lots of features and capable off the beaten track. Now, one of the major points of difference with this KOMBAT is that this one gets a 3.5 tonne Ostracker suspension system. It's a coil setup, dual shock absorbers per wheel, and it looks great. One of my favourite things about the interior of this van has got to be the splashback, and it's not the sort of thing I would say too often, and it's all handmade.
And we're looking at Everest's signature van, the Ice Glider. Only this one is custom built for a family of 5.
The interior truly is world class.
Look how much space this pull-out pantry has. We're very privileged to be at the Everest factory, and we're going to have a good look at the KOMBAT E2 model. The E2 model offers all the same valued pack features as the E1 model, except it has an island bed layout, and the crazy thing is, it's still within a 19.7 foot body.
It's a single axle van, it's an 18-footer, and for such a compact rig, it really does pack a punch. I've got to show you this one. Now, considering it's only 18 foot, and that's the external body length, it really does pack in a lot of sensible living features, and it's done well.
The Ice Glider Limited is the top-of-the-line Ice Glider model. It's got all the features that'll have you and your family off the grid in comfort and style. Enjoy the outdoors with the Ice Glider Limited. Oh, wow. The Ice Glider Limited is an amazing high-end off-roader. Just about ready for handover.